Hello friends and welcome to my channel Iballdesigningdeveloper. So we are back with another video on this channel, and in this video we are creating an amazing project using C++. We have created many of the things using C++ in previous videos as well, like we have started the tutorial series, and after that we have started the project series, and obviously after that we have started the data structure algorithm series, in which I am telling you about DSA, like how to start DSA, how to work with that, and I hope you are enjoying that videos. But now in this video, we'll be creating a project using C++, and the project will be of guess the word project. And in this project, you will be seeing that how to guess the word using C++. These type of project we have already created in Python and in JavaScript like languages. But now we will be seeing that how to create the same project using different languages. I'll be creating the same project in more other languages, like now we are creating in C++. We'll be also creating in future using Java, C#. So if Kotlin means we'll be using different languages with the, like we'll be seeing that how to use different languages to create the same project. From that you can learn more things, more languages, and you can also learn more projects. So I hope you'll be enjoying this video from start, which we are creating of the guess word, and I hope you'll be learning things from this video. If you understand this video from start and if you enjoy this video, so remember to hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, want to see more videos like that, so remember to subscribe, and after subscribing hit notification bell as well, so you can get the notifications of all my videos which I will be uploading in future. So now what we are waiting for, let's move to computer screen and let's get started with this amazing project of C++ using different languages. On the computer screen, where we'll be seeing that how to create this project using C++ from start. So I hope you'll be enjoying this video. So now I will be just making a new window here in my VS Code. Like you all know that when we were just creating the project in C++, so we were using VS Code as our normal text editor. So today also we'll be using C++ to, means we'll be using VS Code to create the project in C++. So now obviously I have to create one file so we can work with our project here. So I will be now selecting new file from here, and after selecting the new file I will be just giving the name of my file, and the file name will be guess the word, or you can just write it by giving space, or you can write it by not giving space, it's your choice. So I'll be writing like that, and I'll be writing .cpp in the end to save the file as C++ format, and I'll be selecting desktops to save my file there. So I'll be now creating the file by pressing this create file button, and you can just see now the file has been created successfully. Simply now we have to include some of the include hashtag, which are the starting codes in C++, so we can start working with this amazing project from start. So now here we have to just start with that, and before starting with this we have to use include iostream, which is the starting code, and like you all know that in previous videos we have also used the same thing. So now I will be just writing this hashtag here, and now I will be using include iostream here. So you can just see that we have used the include iostream. With that I will be using another function which will be of include string, so we can include different strings in this amazing project, like you all know that. After doing that, simply I will be including some of the time, means time is also a tag in C++, so because of that we have to create the starting code of that tag as well. Now I will be also getting, or you can say adding the algorithm here, so I will be adding algorithm, and with that we will be including the vector here. So I will be writing vector, and after doing that I will be giving space here, or you can not give the space, it's your choice. Then I will be writing using namespace std, which will be same here. Then I will be writing here init main, making the bracket, and then just creating the same tag here, string words, and now here we have to just write like the same tag, curly bracket, and here I will be writing as blanket, which is the tags, means you can say the words which we will be guessing, and that's the thing which we are creating in this project, and that is why we are writing the words here to guess it. So now here I will be just writing different words. You can add many words as you can, but I will be adding the words which I can add here. Then I will be writing here like wherever, then you can add here sunlight, like that, and here I will be just writing like another you can say a word which is fence. Then again I will be writing the same colon to add another word, and like that I've added another word which is policeman, and like that you can add the different words. Like now the other word which I will be adding will be replied, then I will be adding today, and with that I will be adding another word which will be of winter, then give a space here, and after giving a space I will be now adding another word here which is of weight, or you can add other words as well like you want to add. So we will be adding different words here, so we can just start working with this. So now here after adding this I will be writing like this piano, and now here I will be writing unless, then you have to write here fourth. So here I will be now moving forward, then I will be moving here and write here ourselves, then again I will be writing want. So just I'll be pressing Ctrl Z to get the things back. Now here I will be just moving like forward here. So just now you have to move forward here like this at the top, and now here I will be writing like want, and here I will be writing waste. So here I will be writing like that, and then after doing that I will be writing interior, and now here you have to just write remove data, and again I will be writing comma, and here I will be writing as bar comma, then you have to write here correct. So these are the different words which we are adding in this amazing project. You can add different other words as well like you want. So here you can just see we have added these all things here, and now simply I will be now not adding too much words. I will be just copying the same words here so we can add it more further. So I will be copying that and simply I'll be pasting it forward. So you can just see all the words has been added. So I will be now closing it, and I will be using the character to close this. Then I will be adding the size here, size of words, and then here I will be adding the size, and now this time I will be adding the size of a string. So simply I will be adding the size of a string, then a string temps, and I will be writing again and srand time, then here I will be writing the value as null, then I will be writing again string word equal to words, and I will be just writing here backspace rand, and then percent sign I will be adding here, and then write here size, then close it, and here I will be writing vector, then I will be now adding here character in short word. So I will be writing here as chr, which is the character short word like you all know that. Then I will be writing word length here, and now in this word length I will be adding like this the two brackets here, and now here after adding these I will be now just adding this hashtag by writing shift and 3. So I will be closing the same thing here. Now here you have to write count, and then I will be writing let's start the game, then here I will be just writing the word contains, and now here you have to just write here word dot length, and now here just make this two brackets, and then again I will be making two colons here in which I will be writing as letters, and I will be ending the function by writing endl, and here you have to write for init I equal to 0, and here I will be now just writing I and write here size of temp, then size of again character I will be writing in short form, and then I will be writing I plus plus, and now here I will be just writing here count temp I, and then here I will be writing count endl, then for, and then I will be writing this thing and write here count like this, and here I will be writing enter a letter, and then I will be using endl here. Then I will be now just using the sign function here which will be as x, then I will be using for init I, so we can add the function here. So the integer value will be as 0, word length you have to add here which will be empty, means that word length can be random, not we have to write any required word length. Then I will be writing if x equal to word I, and now you have to just move down, and then you have to just write here temp I like that and equal to x, and here I will be now writing count, and I will be writing temp I and then close it, then write here temps equal to string, and then write here temp dot begin, then write two brackets, and write here temp dot end, and then make these two brackets again, close it, and then write here count endl, and now here you have to write if temps which means that temp, and then I will be writing the word to break this function. So simply I'll be writing the break function to break this. And now here you have to just write here count and write here congrats, you found the word and the word was. Then here I will be now writing word and l. Now here I will be just writing count, then I will be just now writing here do you want to play again, like this. Now I've written that. So now it will be the choice of the user if he want to play again, so he can write yes or no, it's your choice or the choice of the user. Then I will be writing yes if again equal to yes. Then here I will be writing again equal to yes, means the game will be again started. And then here I will be writing again equal to y, which means that the game will be starting again. So I will be writing y here in this column. And now here I will be simply writing here go to again. Then here I will be writing else value, and in this else value I will be writing return as 0. Then again I will be writing here return as 0, so I will be now writing return 0. So you can just see we have done that all things perfectly fine. So I will be now just doing one thing, like I'll be saving this, and after saving the same thing I will be now just reloading, means I will be just here running the file. So after running the code, so you can just see it is giving me some error in this again, means that we have done some mistake here, and that is why we are getting the error. And now we have to sort out what the error is coming. So the error is here, like we have given this space, and I think we don't have to give a space here. So now this is the indentation error, and we have written the equal to yes here 2 times and here as well. Then we have written the if value, in which we have written go to again, and the value which we have written will be as 2. And now save this. If I save and if I run this thing here, so you can just see again we are getting the same error here, which means that if I move here, like if I move forward like this, so you can just see now we are just getting the thing perfectly fine. And now we are getting the return value as 0. Then we are returning the 0 down as well. So all the things is perfectly fine here. And then we are getting the things here as well working. We have break the value here. And now the string words which we are getting some mistake here, means that there is some errors which we are getting here. So now we have written the string words with underscore. So we have to write like that. And after doing that, if I save this, now we are getting only the one error, which is this go to again, which means that this go to again which we have written is having some mistake here. So now I will be just simply doing one thing, like I'll be moving down in this go to again to check like what we are getting here, because all the things has been sorted out. Only the thing which we are getting is here, the error we are getting is here. So we have to sort that. Now for sorting that, I'll be simply moving here, and if I just give a space by writing go to again function, so here we will be now saving the file. And after saving file, here we have closed the file, like means we have closed the tag down. And now we have to write if again, so we can close it here. And we have also written the word with congrats count. And then I will be just doing one thing, I will be writing like that. So I will be now saving it here like this. And then we have written the sin value, which means that sign yes, and then I've written again yes, then again y, and like that I've written the y value here, which is working. And now if I move at the top and if I press enter here, so you can just see that we are getting the things working. So if I move forward here, so here also all the things has been sorted out. So I will be running it. So you can just see it is saying me that again used but not defined, means it is not defined, means this again which we are using is not defined at the top, and we have to check that where it is not defined. So if I move here and check, so you can just see again has been defined everywhere, like here as well, then in moving forward also. And if I move at the top, so in the top as well we have used the same thing of again. and now this again function has been used at the top many times, and that is the reason why it is working. So here now I will be just simply moving to the file, and then I will be now just moving on to this file, and then here I will be just going to this, like you can just see if I remove and save it here, and then if I run this file here again, so you can just see it is saying me to enter a letter. So I will be entering a letter like I, and now you can just see again it is telling me to enter a letter G. So you can just see it is giving me different letters, which means that our guessing game is working now. So it is, we are guessing the letters and it is giving me, you can just see it is giving me the hint of what I'm guessing, and if I'm not guessing it perfectly fine, so it is telling me that it is weird. So I will be writing T, and you can just see it is saying me that Congress, he found the word and the word was weird. So I hope you understand how we have created this amazing game using Python. And now if I press Y, so you can just see we can start the game again, and now it is telling us that this letter contains, means this sentence contains the 5 letters. So you can just check the 5 letters and you can start work. So means if you're getting the same error, like if the value is not defined, so you can open and close the file again, then this error will be solved, and after that you can run the game and you can start playing with that. So I hope you understand this project from start, which we have created of this amazing guess the word in C++. And if you have enjoyed this project, if you understand this video, remember to hit a like, and if you're new on this channel, want to see more videos like that, so remember to subscribe, and after subscribing hit notification bell so you can get all the notifications of my video which I'll be uploading in future. So now what we are waiting for, I'll be meeting next video. So for today, goodbye.